Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Charge to at least 50% and make a full backup of photos, contacts, and app data. Once done, confirm your account sign-in and OEM unlock status. This prevents activation locks. If you plan a manual flash, enable developer options and USB debugging, then connect to your PC. Make sure your PC has ADB and Fastboot installed and the correct Vivo USB drivers. This reduces connection errors and speeds the next steps. You now obtain the Android 12 package for your exact Vivo Z1 Pro model and region, then verify the checksum to ensure integrity. Once verified, extract the firmware into one folder on your PC. If using OTA, place the update. Zip on internal storage and boot to recovery to apply it. For manual flashing, boot the phone to Fastboot, connect via USB, and run the flashing commands, or use SB Flash tool with scatter file. This ensures the system partitions are written correctly. You finish by rebooting the system and waiting patiently. First boot can take several minutes. Once the device starts, sign into your accounts, restore your backup, and re-enable biometrics and app permissions. If the phone enters a boot loop, immediately boot to recovery and try wiping cache. If that fails, reflash the correct firmware matching your model. Make sure to recheck the firmware checksum and USB connection. These small checks resolve most failures and get you back to a stable Android 12.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.